Hey guys, I'm Allison. I'm the Pampered Wife. Today we're gonna do an old-fashioned empties. I've got no makeup today to go through, so I'm just gonna go ahead and jump in. Let's start with hair. The first thing would be the Chia Powerful Advanced Multi-Correctional Scalp and Hair Treatment. This is a product that is supposed to help with hair growth and retention. It's the kind of thing that once you start using it, you have to keep using it. If you stop, it will stop working. So you shake it up and you spray it. My areas of concern are right here, just at the front of my, or at the temples of my forehead. I think that is like estrogen, I don't remember, but it's typical, I think, female pattern as we age, hair thinning. And so I have been using this religiously, really saw a difference in my hair. And then I took a vacation for 10 days and did not bring it with me. I think I definitely, that's sort of contradictory. I saw a difference when I stopped using it. I see that now I need to get, the progress I had gained had been lost. So I've ordered another one of these. It was supposed to arrive yesterday, but here in the mountains of Colorado, we've been having whiteout snowstorms again, and so the delivery was delayed. I'm all out, so hopefully it will arrive tomorrow, and that will get me back on track. I've really liked this. It has sort of a sweet scent, I believe. Yeah, it has a sweet scent. It doesn't linger. You just spray it and rub it in your hair, and it will leave my hair kind of not crunchy, but if you don't do a good job rubbing it in, you can see where you put it. So I usually do it at night before I go to bed. Try to rub it in real well and just leave it. Next we have the Vegamore Revitalizing Shampoo to restore, retain, and renew, made with keratin. I don't know how much this worked because I finished the conditioner ages ago. I tend to use more conditioner than I do shampoo, which I feel like is the opposite of most people, but I thought it didn't really do anything, sort of gimmicky, but now I think maybe it did make a difference. So I'm not 100% sure because I also used the other product that I just talked about. I think it does make a difference. I don't, it's a really one of those overly sweetened smells, and I don't care so much for the shampoo, but if it was working, then I'll go back to it. I don't know, I have another one of the shampoo and conditioners that I'll put back in my shower. I'm gonna try to take a break from it and see once I start using the Chia regularly again, if that makes a difference, and then I'll add this in and see what kind of difference that makes. So I already have repurchased this because I got it on some kind of special sale, but I think it might make a difference. We couldn't have a video without me commenting on my allergies, my nice red nose. It's just really itchy. Even in the snow it bothers me because, as I also mentioned in every video, I'm allergic to my dog and a bunch of other things, but so my nose is bright red. Moving on to body. This is the Seaweed Bath Company Exfoliating Detox Body Soap, and it's just what it says. It has Arabica coffee and cinnamon. It's one of those darker colored soaps. It's not black, it's more like a deep brown, and you can feel the coffee grounds in it. I'm on the fence about this one. I'm probably not gonna get it. I'll just start and tell you that, but I've really enjoyed using it. It lathers really nicely. It's just a satisfying soap to use. Also, it feels really nice when you rub it around. It almost feels like, when you ask someone to scratch your back, and it just feels nice. It's not, not scratchy in a way that's like, excuse me, in a way that's tearing at your skin, but it just feels nice, and that's what this soap has felt like. It doesn't seem to strip my skin or anything. I mean, I've just enjoyed using it, and the scent is really nice. At the same time, I don't always want an exfoliating product, like after maybe I get too much sun or when my skin is just super dry and feeling a little sensitive. I just want a regular soap, something just more smoothing and that's not gonna irritate my skin. Now, this hasn't irritated my skin. It's just sometimes when my skin is sensitive, it can feel a little harsh. So I probably won't get it again because I just can use one of those, body buffs. I have one that's like a bamboo cloth that I can wash, and if I want some exfoliating, I can just use that. But it's been a really lovely product, And I could see getting it for a man in my life who maybe needs some exfoliating and won't go to the trouble of using a body buffer or something like that. I think this would be a great gift. Plus it's dark and it's not floral scented or anything, so it's pretty cool, and I definitely like it, but like I said, I don't think I'm going to repurchase it. I have another hair product that I missed. This is the Pacifica Scalp Love Rosemary Mint Serum to purify and revive. It's got rosemary and witch hazel in it. I really enjoyed this product. I think as time went on, the scent dissipated, so in a previous review or mention of it, I had said it doesn't have a scent, but I do think it was fairly strongly scented when I first got it, which is fine with me because I love rosemary. Rosemary is actually, I think, even in general studies been started to show to help with hair growth, so that's exciting. I got this actually to help with itchiness just in the winter. My scalp gets really itchy and sometimes flaky. I don't know how much it helped with that. It did help some, but it wasn't miraculous. But what I really enjoyed was just putting it in all around my scalp and massaging it in, and it like lifted my hair and gave it some volume. And so I enjoyed it for the scent, for the volumizing effects, and also because it did help some with the itching. So overall, I really enjoyed this. I'll probably get it again. I really liked it. Let's do more body. This is it's hands. That's part of the body. Gold Fatten MD Solution Hands to Heart Anti-Aging and Brightening Hand Treatment. This is a little mini, I believe. I just have not been impressed by anything by Gold Fatten MD. Let me know if you've ever tried anything by them and liked it. It was fine, but it was nothing better than anything else I'd reach for, and probably not as good as those. It's a thinner product, no scent. I don't know how long I'd have to use it to notice brightening on my hands and anti-aging. But I feel like moisture in general will do that, and SPF is really the main thing, and this does not have SPF, so I don't know. It does say it has niacinamide and retinol, which are known. Niacinamide is a known antioxidant and would also help with oil production, which most people don't have a problem on the back of their hands. And retinol, of course, is good for anti-aging, but you definitely want to use sunscreen on top of it, and so those are reasons, even if I did like it, that I might, if I were going to get it, I would only use it at night. But I don't see the point of this product. Teeth. I used the Vardis Edelweiss White and Protect Fluoride Toothpaste in Soft Mint. I'm going to do a whole brand review of this teeth whitening system, but I will say that I do think this did help with the teeth whitening. I've been out of it for a while, and my teeth do not look as white. So it's not going to be a dramatic change just using the toothpaste, but I did really enjoy it. I enjoyed the flavor. I like that it has fluoride, and it's very expensive. I probably will repurchase it anyway, especially once I start the teeth whitening process that I want to do using the system. Then I want to use, the whole line. And so yeah, I'm definitely going to repurchase it. On its own, if it came in a bigger size, if there was a discount for a subscription, I might consider it. Otherwise, I feel like it's more of a special indulgence kind of product that I would love to repurchase when I can, but it's too expensive to do as my regular everyday toothpaste. That being said, it did last a lot longer than I thought it would because you're supposed to use a pea-sized amount, so I did pay attention to that. I didn't just cover my toothbrush with it. I did just use the pea-sized amount, but I did find it made a difference. I've also talked about this before. It's the Vardis Weissbad Finish and Protect Pure Whitening Fluoride Mouthwash in Soft Mint. Amazing, amazing. I am not a mouthwash person. I've just always found they burn. I don't enjoy using them, the whole experience. The taste in my mouth after using mouthwash typically just isn't that great for that long. This, on the other hand, you use half a capful, so again, it lasts a while. Oh, this whole company is really into preserving the environment, so the tube on the toothpaste is a wood-based resin of some kind. It's a wood-based tube, and then this is all glass with an aluminum top, so it's all recyclable. Anyway, I absolutely love this. My mouth felt minty fresh, like for hours, even drinking coffee. fabulous. I don't know if it helped with the teeth whitening, but hopefully it was doing some protecting, and it did have the fluoride in it. Definitely great flavor. Soft mint was plenty minty enough for me. I can't imagine the full-on mint, what that's like. And there was something else I was gonna say. Oh yeah, no burning or tingling or any discomfort. It was a nice experience to use it, and the effects were fantastic. Definitely I want to repurchase it. Also, it's expensive, so I have to weigh out whether or not I want to make this part of my regular routine, because I really did notice a difference with this. I mean, it's great. I love it. My dog is so cute. I know everybody thinks their dog is cute, and they're right. He's so cute. This is the Karma Naturals Soft Touch Cuticle Butter. Karma Naturals is a brand that I really, really love. It's all vegan, cruelty-free. They do nail products. They have a nail polish remover, a nail polish line with a ton of great colors. A lot of them are halal certified, which is pretty cool because I've never seen that before. Anyway, I got this because winter cuticles, basically. I get a lot of hangnails, I get bleeding, dryness. This definitely did soften the cuticles, but it didn't help to heal my issues. I'm probably not going to get it again, because what I found was when it softened around the cuticles and everything, it just made it easier for me to get hangnails, or they were harder to like clip off or whatever because they were soft. I hope that makes sense. On the one hand, it's great because it worked and it softened everything. And so maybe if you're gonna do your nails regularly, or, you know, really take care of your cuticles, this would be a great product, but I'm not that on top of it. And so for me, the softening almost made it worse. So I'm not gonna get it again. But it did actually work. It just didn't eradicate or help alleviate any of the issues I have. It simply softened my cuticles and the skin around my nail beds. This is like a travel size mini of the One Love Organics Skin Savior. It's the Multitasking Wonder Balm. I've always wanted to try One Love Organics, and I got a bunch of their little trial sizes. This has a very strong scent. I don't know what that is. I'll have to look it up. It's like, not grapefruit, sort of citrusy, sort of tropical at the same time. It smells nice, but it is strong. This is a product that you can use everywhere, you know, elbows. I would rub it into my cuticles. You can use it on your face, lips. I'm not gonna get it again. It's really greasy and it's very strongly scented. And I was disappointed, honestly. And this is like their hero product, like I think the one that really launched the whole brand. I just have things I like better. This is the Eminence Organic Skincare Bright Skin Overnight Correcting Cream. I believe it has bakuchiol in it, or bakuchiol, depending on how you say it. This, I've used every last bit because it's green. This is actually like a pale green shade, and it's like a whipped cream basically, and it smells beautiful. Again, this one, the scent was really quite strong. It smells really good, but I wish the scent dissipated faster. Aside from that, it was lovely. It was a little bit goes a long way. It was really moisturizing. I don't know about the brightening for the overnight correcting cream. I can't speak to that. I feel like you need more actives for that kind of thing, at least at my age. I'm almost 50. I'm 48. I'm almost 49, really. I'm just using other things right now. See, now I'm gonna sneeze. I think that's actually from the One Love Organics that I'm sneezing, not from this, because I was able to wear this and leave it on my skin all night without sneezing. But I'm probably not going to repurchase it because I've just found something I like even better. But this is a lovely product and I do recommend it. The last empty that I have is the Drunk Elephant D-Bronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. This is so old, they've changed the packaging by now, but it still was and is an airless pump, and this is skincare and makeup combined into one. It has peptides, well, I think peptides. I know it has extracts of cacao, which is antioxidants, and it's this tinted cream, not cream, it's a gel. You can wear it under skincare, mix it in with your foundation. You could wear it just all over. I used it often just as a bronzer. But here it is. It provides a beautiful luminosity to the skin as well as some tint, and because of the luminosity and tint, it appeared to do some blurring. I have repurchased it multiple times. I'm trying out some other products. I actually did a comparison between this and the Pie Impossible Glow, which I will link in the description box down below. Oh, by the way, everything I talk about is linked in the description box down below, as well as all the makeup that I have on my face. But anyway, so I'm also now trying the Versed Glow Drops, which have a similar effect to this as well, and is also skincare, and I talked about that recently. So I'm not going to repurchase it right away, but I wouldn't be surprised if I purchased this again sometime in the future. And it dries down, I should tell you, to nothing. Like, it's not at all tacky. It doesn't leave any kind of tackiness on your skin. It just feels smooth. It doesn't even feel like that tacky moisturized feeling. It just feels smooth, and it's just a beautiful glowy finish. That is all of my empties. I'm so excited to have gotten through them. If you notice I look any different, it might be my eyebrows. I purchased an eyebrow scissor and went rather aggressively after this eyebrow. Have you had any brow fiascos? I hear 90s brows are coming back, which are super thin, which I'm not gonna do, and I didn't do at the time. But so, you know, maybe this is okay. I tried to make this one a little even with it, but didn't want to go as overboard. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. I'm sure you've been there. Let us know, or let me know. Just leave a comment down below. Oh, of course, as always, if you've enjoyed this video at any point, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. I'd love you to subscribe. And as always, I hope you find some time to pamper yourself today. Bye.